hear that you're all feeling good. So are we, friends. Can you make your silliest face? Ready?
Wow!
That was so funny.
How about, can you now make your happiest face?
Wow, amazing. You look wonderful. Today we will explore our feelings and what to do when we have a bad day. But before we get started, let's start with our hello song. Let's learn together, come and sing. With Miss Peas it's fun, you'll see. We'll count, we'll sing, we'll dance, we'll play. Let's have some fun today. Great job, friends. You did great. Don't forget to keep your eye out and count how many times our cheeky little Milo Mouse pops up in today's show, friends. Sometimes we feel happy, big smiles and giggles. And sometimes we feel a bit grumpy or sad or tired. And you know what? That's okay. All feelings are okay. Everyone has bad days sometimes. Do you ever feel that way, friends? Do you ever feel sad or grumpy sometimes? You do? That's okay. We all get sad sometimes and have bad days. We're going to learn what to do on a bad day. Benjamin said that Percy is having a bad day. Let's go into the garden and find them so that we can help Percy feel better. Look, friends, we found Percy Parrot and Benjamin Bear. Hi. You look a little bit different today, Percy. Are you okay? Percy said that he doesn't know if he is okay. He feels sad and grumpy, but he doesn't know why. Friends, have you ever felt sad and grumpy and weren't sure why? You have? That happens to all of us sometimes, and that's okay. Benjamin said that it's okay for Percy to feel sad and grumpy and not know why. Everyone has bad days, even when nothing bad has happened. That's right. Feelings can come and go, just like the weather. Percy just asked if it was okay that he was sad and grumpy, even though he doesn't know the reason why. Yes, Percy, it is absolutely okay to feel sad and grumpy and not know why. All our feelings are okay. You don't always need a reason to feel sad and grumpy. What matters is that you know that people care about you, that you are loved, and that the feelings won't last forever. Benjamin just asked if there was something we could do to help Percy feel better while he waits for the sad and grumpy feelings to pass. What do you think, friends? What could Percy do? That's great, friends. What fantastic ideas you have to help Percy feel better. Percy could draw a picture. He could play a game. He could sit and look at a book. Percy, what do you think? Percy just said that he thinks that singing might help him feel better. Then let's sing our special song to remember all that our feelings are okay. Feelings change and bad days don't stay forever.
Sometimes I'm sunny, I shine, I play. My smile is bright, it lights the day. But clouds can come, and that's okay. I feel a little sad today. The sun will shine, the rain will fall.
to let you know that he is feeling much better now after singing that song with you all. He and Benjamin have gone off to play together.
Sometimes when our feelings feel stuck, moving our bodies helps too, Miss P1.
That's a great idea, Miss P2. Let's go to the music room and get our bodies moving. Welcome to the music room, friends. It's time to move our bodies. Sometimes on a bad day, our bodies feel wiggly and tight. Moving can help us feel better.
Let's try a shake it out dance. Are you ready, friends?
You are?
That's great!
Listen to the music and follow along with us. Let's dance. We're going to start by shaking our hands and step, touch, step together. Step, touch, step together. Shake, 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 shake. Great! Great! Now, let's stop. Let's stop out those grumpy feelings. Are you ready? Ready? Stop. Great stomping, friends. Next, we're going to jump high. Ready? Bend and jump. Bend and jump. Bend and jump. Bend and jump.
Great jumping.
Jump. Bend, jump.
One more.
Bend, jump.
Now let's lift our arms up as we take a big breath in and lower our arms down as we blow out like a wind in the air. Ready?
One more. Maybe one more.
Great job, friends.
Right. Now,
Reach out your arms and bring them back in as you give yourself a big hug. Ready? And wiggle, 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 wiggle.
wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Out. Hug. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
One more.
Out. Hug. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Great job, friends.
Moving our bodies helps our feelings move too.
You all did great, friends. Let's head back to the playroom for a recap of all our learning today.
All that singing and dancing has made us feel great.
It sure did, Miss P2. Feelings come and go, and we'll always be here for you, and so will your family and your friends. Remember, friends, all our feelings are okay.
That's right, friends. Even on bad days, you are safe, you are loved, and your feelings are okay.
Before we go, let's remember some of the things we can do to help us feel better while we wait for the sad and grumpy feelings to pass. We could draw a picture, we could play a game, or listen to or read our favourite story.
We could sing a song like Percy did, dance, or colour a favourite picture. There are so many things you can do to help you feel better. And remember, friends, the sad feeling will pass. Your feelings are okay. And you are so very loved.
We have learned so much today and had so much fun. How many times did you see and spot our cheeky little Milo Mouse in today's show, friends?
Yes, that's right, friends. Milo popped up 3 times friends today.
Count to 3 together with us. Ready, friends?
1,
2, 3. Great job, friends!
It's time for us to go now, friends. But we can't wait to see you next time, right here at Miss P's Playhouse.
And remember, friends, smile big, be kind every day.
Bye, friends!
Wow, friends, what a great time we've had today. Today's show was aligned with the early years learning outcomes, which you can find in the description below.
If you love learning with us, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
And click the bell icons so that you never miss a new episode.
We can't wait to learn and play with you again soon.
Remember, smile big, be kind every day. Bye, friends.